this video we are going to replace the charging port of the Beats headphone, but it's not original, it's copy. Customer bring the headphone, the charging port is broken. The thing inside the charging port is not there, it's like empty. I will show you when I open it. You can remove the ear wrapper protection. After that we are going to detach the plastic. There is no screws, detach the plastic, so we just need to pull it. On the right headphone we have the battery, the board, and there is a speaker here. We need to remove the screws from the board because we need it to be out. Remove the battery and look what is there under the battery. This is from the charging port. This is what left. It's plugged from the charging port. We never seen cases like that. This is from 5 years. The second case, the plastic from the inside the charging port, it's broken. It's outside the charging port. I'm checking the model of the charging port, if I have it or not, but I have it. I'm going now to prepare to remove it. The charging port is not even connected. It's like it's removed. Okay, it's important to remove the battery now. We don't need to work while the battery is on. I'm not going to remove anything else. The speaker or the wires connected from the other speaker. I'm going to leave all of these wires. They are connected to each other. It's messy in there. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to work while they are all connected. Put some solder Amtech flux paste and then resolder the pads on the motherboard, and then get ready to put the new charging port. Now bring the new one and put it in position. Wait a few seconds and then you can remove the heat gun. I'm not gonna lie, it's not the same as the old charging port, so I'm going to solder the pins because it's somehow different and the pins are not connected. So I'm going to make this manually. I'm going to check all pins are connected to the pads on the motherboard. One still loose and all are solid. I'm going just to make sure this pin is connected carefully. After that, I'm going to put some solder to the legs because I wanted the charging port to be very solid. Wait for motherboard to cool for a few minutes, like 2-3 minutes, and then I'm going to test the voltage of the charging port. You will see how. Put the charger on the charging port and check the battery pins for 0.2 volt. This is perfect. I'm going now to assemble the headphone. This was for today. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.